Hey guys, Dropship Tyler here, and today I wanted to show you something in Excel that I think is pretty cool, and what we can actually do is use it to figure out when we should move up to the next level store. And I'm sure you guys, you can plug and play or use a formula to figure this out, but this is just the way I like to do it because I think it's a really cool feature. And here we have it set up where we see the basic, or the starter, the basic, the premium, and the anchor store, the number of free listings for each, how much it costs for each listing after the free listings, and then this is going to be our max number before moving up. So far I just put 100 in there just so you could see that it equals, $7.95, $27.95. So if we do 101, the formula works. So there we go. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to this data tab, and we are going to go to what if analysis, and we're going to go to goal seek. So now we want to set this cell here to 27.95. You guys can see this goal seek. Sorry about that. My face is in the way. 27.95, and we want to do that by changing cell B11. Okay, so we're setting cell B12, which is this one, to 27.95 by changing this value here. So now we can see when we should move up to the next store. So here, if you have 166.666 listings, then you're going to be paying the same as if you get a basic store. So now if you have 167, now you're paying too much. Now you could have moved up to the basic store and you get up to 250 listings there for free. So our max number of listings, GoalSeek was able to figure that out for us. Let's do the same thing here. So we're going to go to what if analysis, GoalSeek, and we're going to set cell C12 to 74.95 by changing this cell here. And now we're going to goal seek it, and goal seek found that 438 listings is going to get you the 74.95. So now we know that's the max number of listings there. Let's just do it for the next two, just for kicks and giggles here. Well, actually, we're not going to go beyond an anchor store because the next store would be an enterprise store. Well, let's just do it anyway. Whatever. So set cell E12 to 2,000. I think it's $2,000. Yeah, $2,299 by changing cell E11. And now we know that it's better to get an enterprise store at 62,981 listings. So that's a cool little feature in Excel for those of you guys that always wondered how you can quickly, plug and play and get it. So basically, GoalSeek, all it does is just keeps guessing in the computer until it gets to the right numbers. Yeah, I'm sure you guys can figure out a formula to do this, but like I said, this is how I've always done it, and yeah, I think it's a pretty cool feature.